It's my 2016 Outlander XMR 570. Bought off a kid, so I'm the second owner, but it's been abused quite a bit since it's been new. So it's pretty much how these bikes come up from factory. Still got the 28 Mozillas. The only difference, I put the front. I bought another set of rear tires to put in the front. Just got the wider wheels and wider front tires. Other than that, pretty much stock. There's no air filters or nothing like that. Original exhaust. I built these mounts with the old muffler clamps. Nothing fancy. So welded a little stud onto it, a little bolt onto it. There's a hole there already. Just let my stuff in there, bungee cord over it. Got myself a little speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Works alright. It's got aftermarket handguards. It was on it when I bought it. Other than that, that's pretty much it. 4,000 pound winch. Myself, I think it's overkill. 4,000 pound is alright. But yeah, that's the Outlander XMR I just got.